हेलो। आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे सुपरनेचुरलिज्म इन द पोइम द राइम ऑफ द एंशियंट मैरिनर बाय सैमुअल टेलर कॉलरिज. Coleridge has been called the poet of nature. His imagination is superior to all other romantic poets. His imagination, we feel reality, despite we know that Coleridge has created a supernatural world. These actions seem natural in spite of being unnatural, and readers believe in these actions. This is the quality or beauty of imaginative realism, that Coleridge creates a dream-like quality in his poems. Due to imaginative realism, Coleridge creates mysteries in his poems. From the very beginning of the poem, the rime of the ancient mariner, we can examine the quality of mystery. In this poem, third line exhibits the mysteriousness. He hath long grey beard eye and a glittering eye. He hath long grey beard and a glittering eye. And in the next stanza, Coleridge describes mariner as he holds him with his skinny hand. He holds him with his skinny hand. So these description of the mariner shows mysteriousness as well as supernaturalism. And the word ancient and the title also leads reader to the mystery. At first look, this description seems strange, but later the exposition develops. We realize and believe in the description of imaginative realism. Coleridge creates a supernatural atmosphere. From the part 1 of the poem, he says about the sun, out of the sea came he. Out of the sea came he. And later on, he also says, the ice was here, the ice was there, the ice was all around. At the time when mariners' companions they expire or they died, Coleridge says, water, water everywhere, and not a drop to drink. Throughout the poem, Coleridge gives a supernatural atmosphere and setting. All above mentioned textual references show that Coleridge uses imaginative realism in his poems. All these situations seems as unnatural, but the word Coleridge produces about these situations, readers believe in them. As Coleridge says about poetry, that prose is the words in their best order, while poetry is the best words in the best order. So because of best words of best orders, we believe on his unnatural event. Part 4 of the poem is much imaginative and supernatural when death and life in death appears in a skeleton ship. They are playing dice and death wins, and he takes the spirits of all the crew except the mariner. These symbolic creative characters of Coleridge seem to be real for the reader. Hence, imaginative realism is the vigorous quality of Coleridge And this perpetual quality can be seen easily in his poems. The Rime of the Ancient Mariner through mysteries and supernaturalism. Okay, and although the poet deals with unnatural events and occurrences, yet he treats them with such expertise and poetic craft that they seem natural and believable. The skinny hand and glittering eye seem unnatural at first reading, but when we think that the mariner had gone to the South Pole, faced many problems and hardships, and extremity of weather as well as climate changes, we believe this condition of the mariner. Similarly, the sun came, arose from the sea appears strange, but in fact, the ocean was so vast that the horizon was within the ocean. So it is natural for the sun to come from the sea. So everywhere in the poem, we believe a kind of supernatural environment created by the use of the best words in best order by Samuel Taylor Coleridge. Thank you.